Hello everybody, how's it going? Today we have problem number 21. Problem number 21, it's about try to program to calculate the circle area. Circle described around triangle, then printed on constant screen. We have this the circle, okay, described around triangle, and we have inside it A, B, C, B the base, A and C the two sides. So let's say that the user should insert A and B and C, 5 stored inside A, 6 inside B, and 7 into C. So the output should be 40.088. Okay, first we declare a P variable equal A plus B plus C. These three sides. We will divide it 2. We'll take the results of the three sides A, B, C, A plus B plus C. The results we will divide it by 2. And after that we will come here. We will declare area variable equal by multiply all the result inside these brackets and to the power of 2, which means first we will start with the brackets according to calculation priorities. We will say A multiply B multiply C divided 4 multiply square root B multiply open bracket P minus C multiply open bracket P minus P multiply open bracket for third time and last time P multiply C. All these results inside these brackets to the power of 2. So you as a developer, you don't have to know this math at all, but because we want to practice more and more on calculation priorities, so we take some math just to convert it or change it into code to get used about the calculation priorities. And let's go now to Visual Studio to see how we're gonna convert this math into code. Alright, so let's go to Visual Studio. Alright, this is our solution of problem number 21. Problem number 21, it's about to calculate the circle area. Circle described around arbitrary triangle. Sorry, I forgot to say arbitrary on the slide, or I forget even to put it on the slide, right? So it's circle described around arbitrary triangle, alright? Then print it on console screen. So what we have here, hashtag include a stream, hashtag string using namespace td. After that, we have the first procedure that we already do it a million times in the previous problems. Void read triangle data. We have float, A by reference, B by reference. We add just this time a variable C also by reference. Let's open it. It's same like the previous problems. Please insert the triangle side A, store it inside A, base B, store it inside B, side C, store it inside C. This is the first procedure. And after that, we create another function from float data type, calculate circle area by triangle. We have A, B, C, three variables from the previous procedure. All right, that's stored already inside them, the values that we taken from the user through the console screen once we did run. Later, we will see after we did run. So let's open this function to see how we convert that math into the code. First, as we said, you have const float by equal 3 point. Hold this number and bring it to you, this time from Google. No need to memorize this code in your brain of the value by. No need. Once you need it, go to Google. Full value of full by value, Google bring it to you. Okay, so I take it from Google just to make the result more accurate, because this math a little bit big and a little bit complicated, not so much, a little. And as I said before, you don't have to know this math. We just take this math to get use about calculation priorities. All right, let you get use and use more calculation priorities, brackets, and which priority first in math. That's it. How you will do it in code, that's what I mean. Anyway, float B, and after that we declare another variable B that we say that we store the first math in it, the first result of the first math in it, that it was A plus B plus C. All of these results divided by 2, so all these results, it will be stored inside variable B that we explain it first thing on the slides. And after that we declare another variable, we name it T, stand for triangle, and all the process or all the math that it was between two brackets. After we said we have area equal by multiply, we open brackets and inside it some math, which was A multiply B multiply C, close the bracket, divided 4 multiply square root P multiply open bracket P minus A multiply open bracket P minus P multiply open bracket for last time P minus C. All this process, it was between two brackets. We said we'll take all these results that it was exist between two brackets on the slide. We'll square it or to the power of 2, and after that we multiply it with by. So here all these result that it was exist into that brackets, we'll store it inside T triangle, okay, T variable, and here we'll come, we say area equal bow T squared or T to the power of 2, which is the T stored inside the results after we did the math inside the brackets. The t already stored inside the result of all these math, all right, from here to here. So t already stored inside these results. So when we say t, which means that result that already stored inside it, squared or to the power of 2, multiply by the final result of this line of code here, it will be stored inside area, and after that we return area like usual. And after that we have the last procedure, print results. The circle area by triangle is equal area, and here in the main function it's same like before. We just add another variable and we change the name of the function. For example, float AB. Now we have C. Read triangle data. To read the data from the user through the console screen and store it inside A, B, C variables. And after that, we calculate circle area by triangle by our function that we created, and we will print it. When we return the results with this function, we will print the result. Let's do run to check it out together. Perfect. Once we did run, compare display for us this question. Please insert the triangle side A. Let's say it's 5, base B 6, side C 7. Once you press enter, compare should give us that result. Circle area by triangle is 40.008, like it was on a slide. So that was problem number 21. See you next problem, guys.